Does Craigslist and CPA marketing still work in 2019? Find out in today's video, and make sure you watch this video to the end so you don't miss anything important. Now, without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, to answer the question, does Craigslist and CPA marketing still work in 2019? The answer is yes, and it will probably always work. One thing, my whole motto or catchphrase about Craigslist and CPA marketing is just that, if it's ads being posted, there's money to be made, especially with CPA marketing. It's very, very easy stuff. And Craigslist itself, y'all don't know about SimilarWeb, you can check out, download that Chrome extension. It's very, very helpful. You can see how much traffic any website is getting. And as you can see, over the past 6 months, Craigslist has been getting over 450 million visits per month. And you think for some odd reason, CPA offers just not going to work anymore? You're just crazy. I wouldn't say you crazy. If you were a beginner, you really wouldn't understand why. But just looking at the traffic stats and just knowing, like I said, as long as there's ads, I already opened this in new tabs, but that's the whole thing. As long as you know ads is being posted, there's a way. And for the people that's doing Craigslist and just not getting results and then just saying it doesn't work, that's because they don't know how to get ads to stick. The ads that they do get to stick, they're not getting no replies. They getting replies, but no clicks to the landing page. They doing something wrong on the email side. If they getting clicks to the landing page but not to the offer, something wrong with the landing page. Getting clicks to the offer but no conversions, then it's just an offer. Just simple stuff that you got to pay attention to. And just for proof, like I literally just opened this up in my city, the Craigslist computer gigs, and right here, this is already one. I already checked it out. This is definitely somebody promoting a CPA offer from Max Bounty called Inbox Dollars. So what I'm gonna do is open this in a new tab. Boom, this is the Inbox Dollars. All I do, I'm pretty sure once I click on this, oh, there you go. It just redirected instantly. But this is an offer that's in a lot of networks actually, but I know for sure it's in Max Bounty, and this is somebody promoting a CPA offer, as you could tell. And what you could do is just model what he did right here. So there's definitely a way around it. If people still posting years and years of CPA offers, it could definitely work for you. But I go over all this stuff inside my beginner's course, and yes, all the stuff in here still does apply, because you is gonna need every one of these videos inside this lesson or module, wherever you want to call it, still applies to this day. I don't know why people think that Craigslist is going anywhere. Hey, honestly, when I first started, I probably was thinking the same thing. Like, I can't imagine Craigslist working for all this time for CPA offers. Like, literally, if your ads is getting flagged, you're doing something wrong, man. And you just got to know that, because, like I said, I only went to my city. Like, my city is not even a popular city for Craigslist offers. So I'm pretty sure if I went to, let me go to other U.S. cities, which are more popular, maybe even Dallas, especially New York for sure. I could almost go to those. Let me X out New York. Let me go to their computer and labor gigs. You can almost always find somebody promoting some CPA offers. So this could be one. Testing the website 5 minutes, get $10. No, that's probably not one. It's normally easy to filter those out once you've been posting ads for a long time. So let me see. This is one. Let's see. Work from home. It could be a CPA offer, being that it's work from home. Let me scroll down some more. Boom. Probably another one right here. So yeah, another one of those probably either look like an old MCA ad or something like that. But like I said before, man, as long as there's ads being posted, there's a way. Some offers, and then people think that just because one offer went down for some odd reason Craigslist doesn't work anymore. It's 1,000,001 survey offers, 1,000,001 biz op offers that you can rotate from. If it's not in the network that you in, go join another network. It's literally that simple. As long as ads being posted, you can make money with Craigslist and CPA marketing. And still to this day, Craigslist is up and running strong. Like I said before, I'm actually about to get back to posting ads every day like I used to. I initially was posting ads on Craigslist just to get the budget to run paid traffic, because I need to link that video in this description somewhere. It's a video I made not too long ago. It's called You Need to Master This or something like that. It's on my channel. lot of y'all probably already seen it, where basically I go over the hustle methods, the passive methods, and what was it? Oh, and the paid traffic methods. If you can master those 3 methods online, you will never ever worry about money again. And this was inside the hustle method. The hustle method is basically stuff that requires like active, hands-on, day-to-day. You know, you got to send out emails, you got to post ads and things like that. This is what I consider the hustle method. And that's the first stage of online success. And you know, like I said, Craigslist still works to this day. I'm still going to post ads on Craigslist just to prove to everybody that it does work, and it's not going nowhere probably no time soon. But yeah, man, I just wanted to make this quick video for those of you who've been asking me, does Craigslist still work in 2019? And it does. And y'all gonna see more content covering Craigslist and CPA marketing, you know, in the coming days and weeks. But that's pretty much all I got for this video. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a like. If y'all have any questions, leave a comment down below. I reply to everybody. Subscribe to the channel right now and click the bell icon to be notified when I release my next video. And you can actually grab my beginner's course if you want to learn more about Craigslist and CPA marketing. Oh, and another thing too, I want to mention that I haven't really figured it out yet for my non-USA members. Craigslist is literally, for the most part, USA based. So unfortunately, if you are non-USA and you want to get my beginner's course, I do cover Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and a little bit of YouTube. So yeah, man, if y'all are interested in that, I'll leave a link down below to my beginner's course. That's pretty much all I got for this video, and I will see y'all in the next one.